Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and today we're going to be reviewing SwifDoo PDF management software. So here is the interface when you have starting up here. Now I've played around with it here, so here's just some of the recent files here, and this is the user guide that also comes in PDF format. You're greeted to this when you first start up the program. It says create, open, and settings. And then for the welcome screen here, it says to edit PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to image, PDF merge, PDF split, or compress PDF for easier storage for storage devices. The recent files here show what you have made into PDFs. So we're just going to load a PDF now. And then this is what it shows here when it gives you all your contents here. And this is the user interface when you are using it. And there is a Pro feature as well. I currently have the Pro option, but you can also buy the Pro option as well if you want more features. So we're just going to go to the home page here, and I'm going to create a new PDF. So this PDF here is new, obviously. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go and look at the tools here. So there's bookmark, thumbnail, annotation, and PDF to Word. So what we're going to do is we're going to see the options here. You have view, where you can view, and then annotate here, where you can annotate, and then we're just first going to insert text. So we're just going to insert some text here. Text for a PDF file as an example. Sorry, I didn't mean to type that. So then we go to exit. So it doesn't show up there for some reason. We're just going to insert text, and then we're going to try it again. Text for a PDF as an example. Alright. So I'm not sure why it's not letting the text go through. There we go. Okay, so the text is up there. And then you can do what's called an underline or strike through. And then you can use the hand. Use the hand here to select. So this hand drags it up. And then there's also highlight, underline, strike through, squiggly, correct. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to insert some text. We're going to use squiggly text here. See if that'll work. You can also set the color of the text here. You can also set the size of the text. Then there's your big text there. So this allows you to edit the PDFs in that such a way where you can edit text, manipulate text, and you can also use pencil. So we're going to use the pencil here. So if you have like a drawing tablet or a stylus, then you can use the pencil tool here for custom stylings of PDFs. And you can also add shapes. So you click the shapes. So you click the down arrow here to select your shapes. And then for the pencil, you can select the weight of the pencil. And then for notes, you can do like automatic notes. Then you just select that, and then it sticks a note up there. So if you click that, let's just close that. If you click that, it shows your notes. So double click, then there's the notes there. Annotation tool. So we're just going to go back here. And then this document has no bookmarks according to what we see here. So we're going to go back, and then what you see here is a stamp tool, and then you stamp it like this. So like if you're making forms, then this is a great way as well. And then post many stamps like this. And then different colors. So it's really nice here. And then what you can do is there's also a line where you can stick a straight line, horizontal line, horizontal lines here. Then you can do vertical lines. So you can stick multiple lines here like this. And you can also select arrows. And then there's an arrow right there. If you wanted to point it at something, that's what you can do. the arrow pretty thick or pretty thin, or however you like, and you can highlight areas as well. And then there's also the caret. Then you can go back and then do your editing there. So once you're done your annotations there, if you entered all your text and information, you then go to the edit section. So then what you can do is you can insert images from your folder, and then we're going to click on this, and then you can insert your image. So this image was from a tablet that I previously had, so that's why it's a little bit older Android. And what you can do is we're just going to click out of it, and then we're just going to click out. Then you can also crop certain things. There is an auto selection tool where you can auto select things, and then you can go and start the crop. So we're going to apply the changes, and it's like that. So you can undo, we can undo it as well. So we cropped everything here that we've seen. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go, and where it says link, you can add a link here. So let's just go, you can open a web page to, let's just say my YouTube channel. And then once that link is set, you go to OK. And then when you click that link, it'll take you to the YouTube channel. And then there's also a page setup where you can save the changes before resizing. So this is what our page looks like here, standard letter format. And then you can customize it however you like, and then you can apply to all pages, and then there's your confirm. But we won't confirm that now. We're just going to go back. So then the convert is one of the best options, so that you can convert PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, text, AutoCAD, HTML, image to PDF, PDF to image, Office to PDF, and CAD to PDF. So these are the various options that you have here. And then if you go to page, it shows it in page view. And then advanced shows like watermark or signature, and then extract TOC. So let's add a signature here. So you can add an image, or you can do handwriting. So there we go. So there's our signature right here. And then boom, there's our signature. So it should show up down there. But you can do also a lot of other things as well. So we'll go back, and then there's the share button where you can share, send to email, Dropbox, and Google Drive. Then the help option just has your update option where I'm running the latest version. So there's share. You can share it to Google Drive, Dropbox, or send to email. Then there's the advanced options there. So that is a general explanation of the video. So if you have any other questions, leave me a comment below, and then you can also download this in the description below. I've included a link to the program in the description below so you can try it out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time for a new video. Bye-bye for now.